Microsoft Collaboration Tools, Teams. During phase 1 of our rollout, we migrated from Microsoft Exchange to Outlook 365 email. Now, during phase 2, we're adopting and implementing the Microsoft Collaboration Tools, which includes Teams, OneDrive, and SharePoint. What is Teams? Teams is a collaboration tool that provides teams within an organization with the ability to work together and share information within a common workspace. What can I do in Teams? Join or create teams and channels, start a chat with a person or group, make audio and video calls, and join or schedule meetings from the calendar. Accessing Teams. If you have Teams installed on the computer, click on the Teams icon on your desktop, and if asked to sign in, use your ProHealth email and password. If you're accessing Teams via the web browser app launcher, log into the Office 365 website, and at the upper right-hand corner, click on Sign In using your ProHealth email and password. Click on the app launcher and select Teams. Teams and channels. A team is a collection of people, conversations, files, and tools all in one place. Creating a team. Click Teams, click Join or Create a Team, click Create Team. You can choose to build from scratch or use an existing team as a template. Choose to make the team private or public, and enter the team's name and description and click Create. Add team members. To add team members to an existing team, right-click on the team and click Add Member. Search for members to add to your team and click Add. Click to change the membership type. In Teams, you can have two kinds of members. One is an owner, whereas the other is a member. Owners have the ability to add and remove members and change team settings. A team can have multiple owners. Members have the ability to view, upload, and edit files and have conversations within the team. Explore channels. A channel is a subgroup within a team dedicated to a common purpose, such as a project or initiative. You can share messages and files with the entire channel group and start on-the-spot meetings. To do so, click Teams and select a team to display available channels. Select a channel and click a tab at the top of the channel to view conversations, posts, files, etc. Start a chat. You can start one-to-one or group chats with people in our organization. To do so, click on the new chat icon, search for the person or people you want to chat with, and click on their names to add them to your chat group. Type a message to start your chat. Be mindful, chats are private but are retrievable, so please be professional at all times. Chat versus Teams. What's the difference? With a chat, you can start a conversation with a person or group. You can chat with up to 50 people, and you can send message notifications to the entire chat group. With Teams, you can start a conversation with the whole team, create a team with up to 5,000 people, and send notifications by using the @ symbols for specific members of the team. Make a call. To support calls, your device must have speakers and a microphone. Start one-to-one or group calls with anyone in your organization, no matter where you are in Microsoft Teams. You have three options. You can either select audio call or video call to start the call from a chat. You can type /call in the command box and then choose the person you'd like to reach. Or you can hover over someone's profile photo anywhere in Teams and select audio call from their contact card. Calendar. You can view appointments and scheduled meetings on your calendar. Your Teams calendar is synchronized with your Outlook calendar. To view meetings on your calendar, select a meeting invite to see more details about the meeting. Join a meeting from your calendar. Select Calendar on the left side of Teams to view your meetings. Find the meeting you want and select Join or join through the notification when the meeting starts. Join a meeting through a channel. If a meeting takes place in a channel, you'll see an invitation to join, relevant content, and who's in the meeting right in the channel. Just select Join. And call in. If you are unable to join the meeting using the Teams on-the-go web browser, please dial into the phone meeting. Start a meeting. Anyone has the ability to start a meeting, however, only current WebEx account holders have the ability to add call-in phone numbers. To do so, select New Meeting. Type in a meeting title and enter a location. An online meeting is created by default. Choose a start and end time and add details if needed. Enter names in the Add Required Attendees field and add them to the meeting. See everyone's availability in the attendees list and choose a suggested time or select Scheduling Assistant to see more available times in a calendar view. This is optional. Under Select a Channel to Meet in, select the drop-down arrow to manage your meeting's privacy settings. File sharing. You can share files from OneDrive, Teams, and Hub sites that you have access to and from your computer. In a channel, click New or Existing Conversation. Then, choose the file you want to share from one of the following options. Attach, the paperclip icon, Recent, browse Teams and Channels, OneDrive, or Upload from my computer. In a chat, click Attach, the paperclip icon, select OneDrive or Upload from my computer, and choose the file you want to share, or you can drag and drop. Screen sharing. Click the screen sharing icon. Do be mindful, until the user accepts the screen share, they won't be able to see anything. Select what you want to share. Desktop allows you to share everything that's visible on your screen, whereas Window allows you to share a specific window. After you select what you want to show, a red border surrounds what you're sharing. Select Stop Sharing to stop showing on your screen. Activity. Select Activity to view your activity feed, a summary of everything that's happened in the team channels that you follow. Click on the filter icon to see what type of notifications you want to see, whether that's unread, responses, reactions, etc. For a more specific feed, go to the feed menu and select My Activity. You'll see a list of everything you've been up to lately in Teams. This is the main home screen for Microsoft Teams. To highlight some important options, here's where you can join or create a team, view and organize a team, start a new chat, add files, compose a message, and reply to messages. Microsoft Collaboration Tools, OneDrive. What is OneDrive? OneDrive provides a new way to store and share your files. You can save your files in OneDrive and then work on them from almost any device. We want to stay organized, protected, and connected. If you currently have a personal Pluto file, nothing changes for you. Initial setup. With OneDrive, you can access files anywhere, including your computer, mobile device, and through Office365.com. In Windows 10, select Start, type OneDrive, and sign in with your email address. For example, your first initial, last name at prohealthcare.com. Accessing OneDrive via the web browser. Sign into Office365.com and click on the top right-hand corner to sign in. Click on the app launcher and select OneDrive. Accessing OneDrive on your desktop. If you use Windows 10, OneDrive may have already asked you to sign in to access your files. In File Explorer, select OneDrive OptumCare. Copy link. You can share a file internally by copying and pasting the link into an email, Teams chat, SharePoint hub site, or OneNote page. Select File in OneDrive and then click on Copy Link. Copy the link and then paste it into the destination. Share files and folders. The file stops sharing at any time. You can grant, edit, or view permissions for recipients and set time limitations on a file to specify whether it will no longer be accessible. To share, select a file or folder and then click Share. Save and open files in Office apps. You can save or open Office documents, for example, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, in OneDrive from the Office apps. Be mindful, if it's not saved in OneDrive, it will not be accessible in OneDrive. To save an Office document, select File, Save As, select OneDrive OptumCare, and then pick the folder where you want to save the file. To open a file stored on OneDrive, select File, Open, select your OneDrive, and select the file. This is the main home screen for Microsoft OneDrive. To highlight some important options, here's where you can open files, share files, and copy links. Microsoft Collaboration Tools, SharePoint. What is SharePoint? SharePoint is a collaboration tool that allows you to view Internet Hub sites. Hub sites can be utilized to view visuals, news, updates, and more. What can I do on SharePoint? SharePoint is mostly utilized for viewing purposes. Within SharePoint, you can search for sites, files, and people across our organization. You can view news from sites, frequently visit sites, recently visit sites, and sites that you're following. Signing in. Be mindful, you do not need to install any software to use SharePoint. Instead, connect through your web browser. Sign into your Office account at office365.com and using the upper right-hand corner to sign in. Select the SharePoint application in the App Launcher. Accessing job aids on the Internet. Click on the ProHealth Internet icon on your desktop. Click on Resources, hover down and click into Information Technology Library. Within there, you will see a subfolder that's labeled as Office 365 Collaboration Tools. You can also access additional resources on the Optum 365 Learning Pathways site. Use your ProHealth email address and password to log in. Having trouble? For assistance, issues, questions, or feedback, please contact O as in Orange 365 at prohealthcare.com. Thank you.